Dyma Kenny a chwilio I droi. Oedd yna lawio fanna. Wel, Kyle Harrison oedd y gosa at y bêl. McCarthy yn gofyn y cwestiwn ar y ffordd o'n Iwan Arwel yn gwneud yn glir bod ei ddim... O, dyma'r cyfle i'r Bala. Wall. O, tacl bwysig mae gan Aberdaki. Y momentum gan y Bala. O, a'r gwiriad allan am gic gornel Aberdaki yn ceisio crymanu ddi i'r gornel ucha ala Nico Williams.
Wel, rhaid fi ar ochr y sedd trwy gyntaf y gêm fan hyn ma.
Aaron Edwards gyffyrddiad da yn y lle cynta, ond Disney eto yn drefnus a Kieran Smith a mae yna gerdyn melyn arall I Smith a mae Smith yn cael ei ddanfon o'r ca, capten y Bala yn derbyn coch gan Iwan Arwel. Felly Bala lawr I 10 dyn am y 4 munud ola. Sgiliau gwych gan Franklin. Drwodd hanner cyfle fan hyn. Mae'n rhaid iddyn nhw sgorio, maen nhw wedi sgorio. Ac Aaron Williams yr eilydd sydd wedi chael a mae Cei Connah ar ei ffordd I Rownd derfynol Cwpan Cymru. Yma Neil Gibson wrth I fodd.
Oedden ni'n gwybod bod yna'n gyffredinol, doeddan. Ac dyma fo, y croesiad, yr arbediad rwan lle mae'r bel yn mynd I aseithi'r draed Aaron Williams. Newydd o dar ar y posti bella, ond oedd y sgil na gan Franklin yn neud y gol yn y marn I.
Cei Connah wedi colli tair gêm o'r bron ar ei rhediad gweithio ers spel. Ond maen nhw wedi ennill heno y dathliad gan Neil Gibson. Fe fydd yn arwain Cei Connah I Rownd derfynol Cwpan Cymru 2024.
Well, Jay, that was a little bit of a roller coaster afternoon, wasn't it? How do you sum that one up? How do you sum up your emotions?
Yeah, it's probably a normal game against Bala, to be honest. Really tight, really competitive. You know, there's always going to be one goal in it. I think we've seen in the games previously, but tonight it was, I think, fully deserved for us, fully deserved win and into the final.
Was there a time there that you perhaps thought, like some of us did, that we were going to penalties?
Yeah, as we said, it was tight. You know, it's a really good team in Bala Town, got really experienced players, really good coaching staff. We've seen in league games this season how close they are, and we always knew it would be, and I think there was always going to be one goal in it. And lucky tonight was ourselves.
Just fine margins when you play the top teams, and obviously there was nothing really in it. Not sure about the first booking with Kieran, with him getting booked for the first one, but second one was a foul. But just little things like that have gone against us today, and we should have had 1 or 2 chances. You know, in there, Naeem could have scored a header, and then we just shot past the post, which I thought was in. But there was nothing in it.
I know that you did mention before the game your concerns potentially about the wind. How much of a factor did that play this afternoon?
The wind played a massive factor, but you know it's windy here in the summer, so you know it's same for both teams. They've nicked it today. I think it's 1 in 9. The first one have beat us in 9, so you know they were due one, and fair play to them, and you know good luck to them against TNS in the final now, or Cardiff Met.
Or Cardiff Met, and for both of you now, if you had a choice, Cardiff Met or TNS in the final, who do you fancy?
Well, obviously on current form, you'd probably take Cardiff Met, but again, it's a cup final and we're confident enough to take on anyone, so we're buzzing for it.
Aaron?
No, I agree.
Well, listen, I'll let you go and enjoy this evening, but diolch yn fawr iawn, llongyfarchiadau mawr.